Hi 11th graders. This is my very last video of the night and I'm very tired, so I hope this makes sense. So we're going to talk super quickly about the trimester as a whole because I've already talked about it in some of the other videos, and then we're going to talk about this week. So for the first 4-ish weeks, we are going to be reading a book together. It's called The Other Westmore. And what we're doing while we read this book is we are focusing on one of a few issues and talk about how it impacts the people in this book and how it impacts your life. At the end, you are going to be writing a comparison essay between the people in the book and your own experiences with this particular essay. So there is not a lot of daily work. I put in some little reading quizzes, more just to make sure you're getting what's important than to like catch you not reading. And then there's going to be a lot of like online discussion and talking to make sure that we are really processing what this issue has to do with this book. And then we're going to read Fences. And unfortunately, I don't know that we'll be back together, so we'll have to think of some creative way to read the play together. Well, maybe WebEx will be the way, I'm not sure. So I hope we get to watch the movie together as well, because it is a great movie. And then we'll talk about, again, the same issue that you've been following, whether it's gender, whether it's race, whether it's education or family. Yeah, I think that's right. Education or family will continue to follow us through Fences. Then we move on to the last big paper of the year. It's our synthesis essay. So you're taking your thinking and your learning from the other two texts and putting them together in this story. And then based on that, we take your same learning and we take your learning from the paper and we do something a little bit more fun with it. We do public service videos, and that's actually been quite a lot of fun in the past. So let's talk about now this week. Pull up the right one. Sorry. Okay, so this is my schedule. You can see that I am going to be online most of the day. There's a short period of time, my prep hour, that I'm not. But for the most part, I am online a lot during the day. Our live sessions will be on Thursday. So what we're going to do this week, you have the most to do today. That's why I'm doing it quickly. You're going to go to a Flipgrid for your issue choice. So you're going to go and tell me which of the issues you're going to choose. I won't explain it all here because that is explained in the Flipgrid. Then I have a couple interviews with the author before you start reading. You're going to download the book. You're going to listen to the introduction. It doesn't take very long. And then there is a discussion to comment in. I'm also going to just stay in my WebEx room for you to pop in when you have questions. And then the rest of the week, there's going to be short quizzes. There's going to be the summative preparation essay. It's not very big. You're actually only pulling 6 quotes from the entire book that relate to your topic. So it's not that many. But then you're going to read every day, have somewhere to comment every day, and keep that summative preparation assignment moving. On Thursday, like I said, we'll be doing a WebEx together. And each day there's a place, except for on the WebEx day, for you to comment somewhere online. So that'll be in your box every day. So for example, there's the how to use Mac and VIA, and this video will be there. This is today. This is where you're going to go to the Flipgrid, follow the link. You're going to log in with Google, with your My Panthers, and then it will take you to the Flipgrid. Look, there's my girls. So I have a sample response for each one of the issues that you can view and laugh at if you want to, but you know, be nice. So the prompt is up here. Hold on. The prompt is up here. Which issue do you want to follow for the trimester? And how have you seen the issue, the impact of this issue in your life? So take a look at my videos. to give you a sample of what you're supposed to do. That is like the most important thing you're going to do today. And then I have the links to the interviews with Wes Moore. I did put a PDF if for some reason McAnvia is not working for you. I have the MP3 of the audio. That's the audio of the reading. And then just a place to comment on the day's reading. So it says, after listening to the interviews and reading the introduction, post a question you'd like to ask him. So not too tough a one for the first day. And then again, pop into the WebEx, tell me how you're doing, tell me what you need. We want to make sure that you are not falling behind at the beginning because you're struggling with one thing or another. Anyway, I hope to see you tomorrow, which is for you today, I guess. And yeah, we'll figure it out, okay? Don't worry, we will figure it out.